Welcome back to Homes by Gina Kewen Realty Group. I'm Gina Kewen, your host. Today we're in Aledo, Texas. We're going to go take a look at a couple of new construction homes. But just a little bit about Aledo, it's not your entertainment district. But if you're looking to get away from the hustle bustle and raise a family, Aledo, Texas is going to be the place for you. Today we're in Aledo, Texas, and we're going to go check out this property that's on the market for $550. So come on and let's see it. Now let's go check out a luxury home in Aledo. Now we're in Rio Vista Edition in Aledo, and we're going to go take a look at this $1.4 million house. So let's go take a look. Just down the road, 10 minutes, we have Black Rifle Coffee Company. So if you're not a fan of Starbucks, you might want to come check this place out. They're also a veteran-owned company. Black Rifle Coffee Company, aka BRCC, is a veteran-owned coffee brand that stands out not just for its premier, boldly flavored coffee, but for its unique mission and culture. Black Rifle is deeply committed to supporting the veteran and first responder communities. The company hires veterans, with more than 50% of its staff being former military, and donates a portion of its profits to veterans-related causes. Black Rifle's product line includes a range of roasts from light to dark, as well as instant coffee, single-serve pods, and even exclusive merchandise, blending military-style marketing with humor and a strong sense of camaraderie. They have built a loyal following by resonating with individuals who share their values of service, freedom, and American pride. It's more than just a coffee. It's a brand with a mission to serve those who have served or currently serving our nation. We're at 8140 Angel Court in Fort Worth, Texas. Newest listing, this property is in complete construction, which is due to be complete in about 2 months. So I'm just going to kind of take you through the process. Right now, the outside paint is going to be urbane bronze, but you have the ability within the next 2 weeks, if you go under contract, to pick this paint yourself. So come on and let's go take a look at the inside. Here are a few reasons to consider Aledo. From the exceptional public schools to the family-friendly community, Aledo has a lot to offer for those looking to settle down in a welcoming and vibrant environment. Niche.com ranks Aledo in the top 10% of cities for raising a family, highlighting its strong community and values. Aledo's Independent School District, ISD, shines as one of the top 10% of all public school districts in Texas. Thank you for joining me today in Aledo, Texas. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and share. Also, click the link below to get a free buyer's guide of what to expect in Aledo, Texas. Thanks for joining me at Homes by Gina Q and Realty Group. I'll see you next time.